A simple blizzard can do a whole lot more than cool you off. During Dairy Queen's Miracle Treat Day, participating locations donated at least $1 from every blizzard sold, and the Johnson City Dairy Queen doubled that by giving $2 from every small, medium, and large blizzard to support Ballad Health's Niswonger Children's Network. Nationally, Dairy Queen has helped raise more than $195 million for Children's Miracle Network hospitals. For operating partner Emily Lagacy, the mission is deeply personal because she was born prematurely and says Children's Miracle Network helped save her life. Her own son also spent time in the neonatal intensive care unit last year, making every donation even more meaningful. Local fundraising has already helped support projects like Niswonger's new NICU, showing how something as simple as buying a blizzard can directly benefit families right here in the Tri-Cities. It's a reminder that supporting local businesses often means supporting local causes that make a lasting difference.